actually quite busy here, I noticed. I haven't seen a place in Bangkok this busy for quite a while. Good afternoon. I'm here at the future Park Rangsit, which is in the north of Bangkok. And this is a major transport hub for everybody that's going and coming from the north and northeast of Thailand. And here I am in front of the Future Park, which is a big shopping mall by Robinson. So I just wanted to have a look here, because this is one of the areas in Bangkok that I have not really explored too much. I passed here a couple of times, but that was always on the way to Ayutthaya. And yeah, I always remember once you arrive at the Future Park Rangsit stop, then you're almost home if you come with a minibus from Ayutthaya. Yeah, so this is a big Robinson shopping mall, and the Future Park opened in 1995. It's a total of 280 square meters of shopping. Yeah, the whole complex has 5 floors, and on the inside it's recently renovated. So from the inside it really looks like a modern shopping mall. And I noticed this skywalk here, and as you guys know, I'm a sucker for skywalks. So I just wanted to have a quick look on here as well. So this is the big highway that goes up north. And from here you can connect to, we're just north of Don Muang Airport actually. But let's focus and let's get into the mall. Yeah, this is a typical place where, especially around this time during the COVID, there's not many foreigners here. I'm probably the only one left, last man standing, I would almost say. Yeah, it's like 3:30. The weather is actually quite good. It's not too hot. So here we have the main entrance for the Robinson. Yeah, so on this side you have like what normally you would consider a kind of night market, where you can shop for some local products. And then there you have the Robinson. But if we go through this market here, you get to the main area. It's Saturday afternoon, so it's quite busy. A lot of people around here. You can see the big difference if you compare it with like MBK, which I showed a few weeks ago. You know, these local areas, they are not that much affected by the COVID. quite busy here, I noticed. I haven't seen a place in Bangkok this busy for quite a while. So here you get to the food area. Yeah, and this part looks like any other mall that you can find in Bangkok. Yeah, 280,000 square meters is quite big. I think the biggest one in Bangkok is about 500,000 square meters. And this is also a perfect example of a regional mall, you could say, where the people flock to, especially during the weekends, to get the air conditioning, to go to the movies, to do all their stuff. Yeah, so what I mentioned, this mall has 5 floors. So I'm going here to the central area. It's not easy to get here. You know, the transport extensions, the MRT and the BTS haven't extended all the way here yet. So you can get close, but not all the way. Yeah, from the interior you can see that it's a bit of an older mall, but due to the renovations it looks very similar and has the same kind of shops as what we're used in any other mall in Bangkok. Yeah, I basically just wanted to give an update about, well, as I want to show everything in Bangkok. So this is one of the main reasons why I came to have a look here in Rangsit as well. And yeah, it's interesting. You can see the Chinese decorations here that I was looking for as well. So this is definitely for the Chinese New Year. Yeah, so the whole Future Park area here in Rangsit, it's not only this mall, but there is also a major Cineplex mall, which is a mall on its own, where you have a big cinema. And then there's an Index Living Mall. You basically on every corner of the city, so you have the Central West Gate, you have the Bang Na, then you have this one here in, so Bang Na is more in the south, this one is in the north, Central West Gate in the west, and then you have an East Gate in the east. So every corner of the city has this kind of huge complexes where you have a mall, you have a cinema, and like the Mega Bang Na in the Central West Gate even have an IKEA. Here you have the Index Mall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update regarding the future mall Rangsit. And if you did, feel free to subscribe and see you guys in my next video.